All right, guys, 2019 Ram 1500 V6 Classic. Really beautiful truck. Factory converter up there all the way. Wow. Secondary converter there. Then it's got a weird contraption for pipe, guys. Look at that. So they should have just strudelled it and got it over with, but no. Why? They rather do this whole wide pipe assembly spaghetti looking thing, as you guys can see. I think the engineers were craving spaghetti when they did this one. Anyways, 3-inch pipe after. There's a DYNOMAX race bullet. Where's the box? Box, but I can't see the part number. It's a 3-inch out bullet, 16.5 inches long, 24225 maybe or something. Anyways, we'll try to find you the link in the description. Then we added 3-inch pipe, continued his 3-inch tailpipe. Then we added another 3-inch pipe to take the resonator out, and a fat 4-inch roll tip out the corner. Right there. There'll be a link in the description for all of it by 18. There's the resonator we cut off. There's that little bit tailpipe, and there's the huge muffler that we cut off right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, that sounds good. Nice for a V6. Those bullets sound so good on these. Ram 1500 V6. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 114. That's perfect. Sounds okay. Go ahead and back it up. We gave him what he wanted. Came out nice. Look at that. It's a clean truck. That's perfect. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Ram. There's what he left behind. But we got him sounding good, so he's happy. We're happy. Perfect. I like it. It's not raspy at all.